Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm so happy you're here today to learn another useful word with me. Each word helps us understand English better and speak more naturally. Today's word is simple but very important, and it is about a great quality to have. Today, we're going to learn the word humble. So, what does humble mean? To be humble means not to think you are better than others. It's about being modest, kind, and down to earth. People who are humble don't show off or brag about themselves. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word humble. Despite his success, he remained humble and kind. She gave a humble speech thanking everyone for their support. It's important to stay humble even when you win. The humble cottage looked small, but was very cozy. He came from humble beginnings, but worked hard to succeed. All right, now it is time for a short story, just 10 sentences, to help you remember humble in context. When I started teaching, I was nervous and unsure. I knew I had a lot to learn, but I stayed humble and listened to my students. I didn't pretend to know everything. One day, a student thanked me for being humble and patient. That made me feel proud. I realized humility helps us grow and connect with others. Even when you are confident, being humble is important. It opens doors and hearts. So, always remember, humility is strength, not weakness. So, that's the word humble, modest, kind, and real. Try to use it this week in your conversations. See you next time for another great word. Take care and keep learning.